Oh my goodness, babes. If your hair has been feeling dry, frizzy, or just needs some extra TLC, I have something new to share with you. This is the MAREE Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, a 10-ounce treatment made with keratin, biotin, collagen, and coconut oil. MAREE says it's designed to hydrate, soften, strengthen, and help control frizz, especially for dry, damaged, curly, or color-treated hair. So let's get into this, okay? Now listen, first of all, this mask has a nice creamy, lotion-like consistency and has a noticeable coconut fragrance. This formula is cruelty-free, and MAREE says is suitable for different types of hair like normal hair, wavy hair, curly hair, dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. The jar also has protective dual-layer packaging, so you'll want to twist and gently lift the lid when opening it. Now what really caught my attention is what's inside. You've got the keratin, biotin, collagen, and coconut oil. That's right. According to MAREE, these ingredients help provide moisture and softness while helping smooth frizz, improve the appearance of split ends, and make the hair easier to detangle and style. If you use a lot of heat or color your hair like I do, this could also be a nice addition to your conditioning routine. And I like that you can use this mask 3 different ways. I'm going to say 4 different ways because honestly, I have been using it as a leave-in conditioner as well. But for regular conditioning, you can leave it on 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. And for deep conditioning, you can leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse. And if your hair needs some serious TLC, MAREE says you can use it as an intensive treatment for up to 30 minutes. Now, I'm working it throughout my hair and concentrating especially on the ends because that's where I tend to want the most conditioning. When I'm testing a deep conditioner, I'm looking for slip, softness, manageability, and easier detangling, or the ability to comb through my hair easily. I want my hair to feel moisturized without feeling overly heavy or coated. And after rinsing, I'm also paying attention to how smooth my hair and ends look and how manageable my hair feels when I'm styling it. Overall, I like what MAREE is offering with this deep conditioning mask. The combination of keratin, biotin, collagen, and coconut oil makes it an interesting option if you're looking to add more moisture and conditioning to dry, curly, damaged, or color-treated hair. I also really like the versatility, the multiple ways you can use it: a quick 2 to 3 minute conditioning, a 10-minute deep treatment, or leave it on up to 30 minutes when your hair needs some extra attention, or just as a light little leave-in conditioner like I do. Of course, results are going to vary depending on your hair type and condition, but this is definitely one to consider if you're looking for a moisturizing treatment to add to your hair care routine. If you're interested in trying MAREE Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, I'll leave the product information down below, and if you've already tried it, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye now.